Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys I'll be showing you guys how you can use this agent. Her name is Neon. She is a dualist from the Philippines, and I'm just going to be showing you guys how you can use her utilities. So she has fast lane, relay bolt, high gear, and overdrive. So yeah, let's get started with the video. And here is Neon using the fast lane utility, and then she's just gonna dash and kill the enemy, and it is a good way to, go into like a site, as she is a dualist. So and then this is the relay bolt. It makes the player dizzy, as you can see. And this is the point of view from the enemy, I guess. As you can see, gets dizzy. And this is her ult. It is the Overdrive, and it is very useful if you can't buy weapons. So like you're saving and you're using Neon, you can use her ult instead. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!